Hey guys, so today is one of my little lazy video days, but thought I'd give you guys some quick little helpful information. I had a few people asking me how to regrow their edges. Now we know edges is very, very important to everybody. Edges is if them edges ain't right, you'd be like, oh my god, my hair don't even look right? Well, if you need to regrow your edges, the first thing you need to do is limit or completely stop the heat usage, especially on the edges of your hair. Heat can be a good thing and a bad thing, as you've heard in several of my videos. It could, we have like a love-hate relationship. If I can stay away from heat, we good to go. But if you are struggling with your edges thinning, you do not want to continuously put heat on them, or your edges breaking, or you're trying to regrow them, you do not want to use heat. Second, deep conditioning treatments will literally help to save your edges. Deep conditioning treatments will help to regrow your edges, and it will help to stop the thinning of edges. Now you have to make sure you use the right deep conditioner. I cannot tell you which specific one works best for you. That is up to you to try. I would say try to find a restoring or repairing deep conditioner. Those tend to help a lot better. Next, stop chemical treatments if using any. That is in the form of relaxer, dye, all of it. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Especially if you are trying to regrow your edges, or if you're trying to regrow your hair. You do not want to put chemicals in it, because that's just going to make it take even longer, potentially do more damage and do more harm than good. Next, I would say start protein treatments. They are literally go-to when it's time to restore, save, or regrow your hair. Protein treatments can be a gift and a curse, in the sense of if you put too much protein in your hair, it can cause damage. But you put just the right amount, you're good to go. So I recommend doing a protein treatment maybe once a month or once every 6 weeks or so. That usually works well for people. Now when it comes to the specific kind of protein treatment, that once again you have to find what works best for you. I say do your research based on what your needs are, you know, what's going on with your hair, what you may be allergic to, you know, what you may have at your fingertips. You can easily make protein treatments at home, which I strongly suggest. So as you guys saw, I was in the middle, or probably heard, I was talking about my protein treatments when my little mister had to come and interrupt me to tell me that he wants a snack. Well, he's gonna have to wait for his snack, because I'm almost done with talking to y'all about how we're gonna regrow these edges. So back to what I was saying. Protein treatments, your friend. You can literally make them out of literally 2 or 3 ingredients in your house. Eggs, mayonnaise, several different things. You mix it together, you have a great protein treatment. I have another video where I will show you how to make a DIY protein treatment at home. Next up on the list, take vitamins that aid in the growth of your hair. Vitamins sometimes can help a lot when it comes to edges, when it comes to your hair thinning, when it comes to balding, or even regrowing. Biotin is a good one. Believe it or not, prenatal vitamins contain like all the vitamins that help your hair grow. So I consistently take prenatal vitamins even when I'm not pregnant. I ain't having no more kids, but them prenatals, I still take them because they have all the vitamins. They keep my hair growing. So that's just my go-to, is prenatals. But you can do biotin, you can do fish oil, garlic oil, all of it helps, really. Another one is if you have or keep rose water in your house. Now this, I know this is like kind of weird for some people, but this stuff, like, my edges love it. And I say it's good for your edges because some people, because their edges are so close to their skin, they can't use certain stuff because it'll break their skin out, it'll irritate their skin, or they have sensitive skin. Now with rose water, it can be used, especially, let me rephrase that, if you find an organic and all natural rose water that doesn't have no other stuff in it, you can use it on your hair and your face, and it won't bother you at all. I spray this stuff on my hair, my face, my son's hair, his face, everything. My son has locks too, and it doesn't do anything to his hair. And that's for if you do have long hair, you have short hair, whatever. I swear by this stuff. Rose water, change your life. Now, last but not least, when it comes to your edges, if you are already struggling with edges, your edges coming out, your edges being too thin, whatever the case may be, don't go put in protective styles in your hair. Please. I see plenty of women who will sit there and say, oh, I have no edges, but you always see them, always, with box braids or Senegalese twists or goddess locks. It's like, dude, the edges is already thin. You don't need the extra tension. So, thin edges, the way to get them back, single-handedly, no protective styling. Straight like that. Lastly, when it comes to your edges, what you wear on your head at nighttime is a huge contributing factor. I know for some women, they can't use certain bonnets, they can't use certain head wraps because the tension in the overnight will rip their hair out or thin their hair out. Now for me, I swear by our adjustable bonnet. As you can see, it has plenty of room in it. Shout outs to our K&D Goddess adjustable bonnet. Swear by it. But that is one thing that will help you at nighttime, or to help you with thinning edges or balding around the rim of your hair, is make sure you have a good silk satin adjustable bonnet or silk satin bonnet that you wear, period. That will help. And last but not least, when it comes to regrowing them thin edges, our K&D Goddess hair growth stimulator. It will not disappoint you. You will fall in love. Now I will let y'all go, and I'll be back with another K&D original soon, baby. I'll see y'all soon. Y'all have a good day. And if you want to find our hair growth stimulator, you go to thegoddessstore.com. That's www.thegoddessstore.com. Thank you. Now holla at y'all a little later. Bye.